Hello, you're still watching After Hours live from Jakarta.
I'm so excited for this one, especially after Lebaran, because you want to lose all that weight. Well, nutritionists in Indonesia are using hypnosis and psychotherapy to teach people how to rethink how and why they eat to tackle the weight and obesity problem.
Yeah, involving blindfolded exercise and breathing technique, believe it or not. The program is actually called Happy Eating, and Kartini Sri Chitra has a story for us.
I'm going to close my eyes right now.
Blindfolded.
Yeah.
These Indonesian women are hoping that when they get on the weighing scales next time, they'll see a significant change in their weight. They're signing up for the latest trend in Jakarta, a hypnotherapy diet. The Happy Eating Stay Slim program is growing in popularity since it was launched in 2008. Its slogan is, improve your relationship with food, with two key elements of mindful eating and learning to eat intelligently.
Happy Eating tetap langsing ini kami gulirkan ke masyarakat dengan gaya hidup, dengan prinsip-prinsip lifestyle dan prinsip-prinsip yang lebih populer. Pada dasarnya Happy Eating tetap langsing ini menggunakan metode hipnosis dan metode neuro-linguistic programming.
Slimmers in the class start by learning about the physical action of eating and digesting food. They're taught to practice mindful breathing exercises. At the next stage, they are encouraged to stop identifying food by what they see and make greater use of their sense of smell.
3 bulan saya timbang itu turun 9 kilo tanpa saya minum obat-obatan, tanpa saya merasa tersiksa. Jadi saya happy banget.
The course aims to give people a healthier lifestyle and higher self-esteem because, as they say, we are what we eat. Kartini Sri Chitra, Metro TV.